All right, so now it's time to add music to our application here. And I came in and edited this a little bit. I'm going to have a start button and a stop button that's going to play the music for Brother Is, and then you can revise the Hawaii Five-O theme as you want as well. So I'm going to come into the main activity Java, and the way that you're going to do this is really very simple. We're going to utilize the media class. So I'm going to bring in media player, might have to do Alt-Enter, and then we'll call it, I'll call it MP is for Brother Is, MP is. All right. And so then what we need to do is we need to initialize in the onCreate. We're going to have to initialize the media object. Okay. And so we'll call it, let's see, MP is equal to media player create this reference to ourselves, and then r.raw dot, and then we had is. So now we've initialized the object. Now the next part that we're going to do is we're going to create a stop and start method that we can assign to those buttons. And so after this onCreate, I'm going to create a public method, and I'll call it, probably call it something else, public void play button click. Okay, we have to bring in we have to implement a view object, or else the button won't work. So we will play button click, and then we'll do MP is dot start. Then we also need to do the same thing for a button that is void play button. Let's do stop, or maybe stop button. I guess that would make more sense. Stop button click. Again, implement the view, and then very easy, MP is dot stop. Okay, and so now let's go back into our activity main right here, and then on our start button we should be able to scroll down here and find an on click event, on click, and we should see our play button click. And then we can do the same thing for our stop button, on button stop. So now you should be able to start and stop that song. And I'm going to put this on pause while I fire up my emulator. Hopefully yours will work faster. See you there. All right, so let's see if it works. So I've got my app fired up. Starts playing my music just fine. That looks good. Stop is stopping my music. That sounds good. And if I start again, looks like I have some challenges. So there's still some things to be worked out. But in the meantime, we've at least got started a audio app, or audio that we're able to start and stop from buttons.